Hi, I'm Roses59. Today I'm going to show you how to make a live edge shelf. For starting off with this project, I'm using live edge, and the piece I purchased was at Home Depot. It's 2 inches thick by 5 to 8 inches, they say. Mine is approximately 8 inches, and it's 6 feet long. By live edge, you will not have any pocket holes on the bottom part. This product at Home Depot is so that you can buy 2 pieces and use the pocket hole screws to join them together so you get one big live edge unit. But in my case, I just was using it for a different purpose, so we have to plug these holes because I'm not going to use these holes at all. Wood filler to fill any gaps that was left over from sanding the wood plugs. Then I also used 400 grit sandpaper and sanded by hand all the edges nice and smooth. For attaching our shelves to our back piece, we want to line up all our holes. The best way to do that is apply the template on, and I just use some painter's tape to hold in position, and use your hole punch, and right where the center marks are, push down in your hole punch to get the marks. And you want to do the same thing for the top and the bottom as well. You also want to do the same method with the actual shelves. Apply the template on and use the hole punch to punch the holes. Some glue here and already have put the screws so the points are just sticking up just a tiny bit. Now you want to line up the holes from the bottom on here. For applying your clear coat, I'm just using a good quality brush and using Varathane Professional Semi-Gloss Finish, and I've already applied it on the bark and on both sides, pretty much everything except for this last piece here. I've already done up to this point, just got a little bit left to do. Also, if you wanted to make one without the bark, you can certainly do that as well. And now all you gotta do is install it onto the wall and put your favorite items on display. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.